to go to school! It's Zoe time! Hi guys, it's me Zoe, and today I'm gonna show you the stuff I bought from TEMU. First off, I'm gonna start with my bag. This bag costs $22, as you see. Now I'm gonna open it. So this is the color of the bag. It's purple, white, and there's like a little bit of yellow here. And it's like clips, and then you can open it. And it comes with pins, and I'm gonna show you by itself because it's really small. So there's this one. This bunny rainbow one, Bubba bear, and last but not least, this bunny who has heart, big cheeks. Okay, now I'm gonna there's this secret there's like this pocket. It was really cool. I loved when it was online. It's like this little space because I like art on the bus, so I can put like markers, anything I want here, even my homework. And I'm gonna show you the other pockets. So this is one of the pockets you can put in here in the front. So the one I just showed you first, and this pocket, it's almost as small as my arm, and we also have the big pocket, or like the inside of the real backpack. Where is it? It's this big backpack with a slot right here, like a laptop case. I have one also here, and there's a computer packet. And I got also a sticker pocket in the bag. Wow! Second thing, we got this ruler. It's like a rainbow color, but in a different order, and it's like really flexible. And we got this only for $3. I'm gonna open it. And it's really cool because it's like a picture. So this is the one. It's a normal ruler, but now I'm gonna show you my pencil case. This pencil case is also purple because I love the purple stuff on TEMU. School stuff. The school stuff for purple on TEMU, so I got this. But my favorite color is purple blue. And this thing was $7. And the same thing, it has a lot of pockets. Because my last one is also didn't have a lot of pockets. And this has like one pocket. One pocket and then another pocket inside a pocket. And then we got the bigger ones. Bigger ones have a wider space. And the last pocket. Plastic. And this big one space. Finished product. So now I'm going to show you my gym bag. This one's like so cute. Let's open it. There. So it's like really wide and big. Wow! It's like as the size as my backpack. And the price was $6. Summertime stuff like ice cream. utensils, and these ones are pink. It's really noisy. Noisy and hard to open. There. These have spoon and fork, and the designs are like bamboos, but they're pink. And this one's a fork. It's fork bucket. And the price was $2. And it comes with chopsticks. They look like bamboo sticks and pokey, so you don't know those. So now I'm gonna show you my bento box. And this thing's not sponsored. So this is the bento box. It was $25 for a bento box. Okay. Yeah. Ooh! This pink is really bright. That's all who came in the box. Let's open it. And this is what the outside looks like. I opened it already. This is the outside. A plain pink bottom. It's just pink. And this is the inside. It's so there's like a separator for if you want to separate food or sometimes. And then there's this thermos. So we got because we were looking for one, and the Amazon ones are really expensive. And this has a holder, and you can put it in this big, big place, or you can just put sandwich or lunch. You don't need to put in the thermos. And then for this, you put this up and you twist it. We're gonna see now if the water's still hot and if it worked. Okay. That's hot. That's so hot. It's like warm. So now it's gonna be the lunch pill, and we're gonna test it if it fits in here. And this price was $7. And this thing is so cute. It's like this space theme. I can't just stop saying it. They're so cute. Oh my god. So this is the inside. It looks really small because it's squished, but it's really big inside. And it even has this tiny pocket. I'm gonna see if this fits. How does it work? It does. I'm actually surprised because I thought it didn't fit in this. It's not that heavy actually, and this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna show you the utensils with it. And you can put them up here or down here on the side, or not at the side actually. You can put them in the side, wherever you want. And this is so cute. Ready to go to school. So now I'm gonna show you this blinger diamond. It's like shiny stuff, and it's like these jewels. And I already opened this. but I closed it back. And the price is $13. So the outside is really chunky and small. This is the size of my hand and the thing. And this is so cute. That's loud. So this is what it is. It comes with these few wingers. These are for this thing for your hair. So there's blue, purple, and pink. And they're in different shapes. These are just couple. There's a lot. There's like cards, stars, flowers, and beads. So I'm gonna do a circle. So you put it like this. You put the one of these templates in this compartment. You need to line the diamond inside the circles, and then you close this. And you put it and you clamp it, and now it looks like this on your hair. So we did this side, and we did this. Wow! So these are the charms. You can refill it. So now we're gonna open this shirt, and it was only $5. And I picked this one because it's so cute. Look how cute this is! It's like this cute girl who just got lost from the alien. So now I'm gonna change into this. Wow, look at the shirt! This is what it looks like. And it's like this thing's just so pretty. I'm gonna show the back. Now I'm gonna wear it with my backpack. I feel